Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. How many times have we heard that the book is way better than the movie? Well, this book from the Hunger Games has totally lived up to the hype. There must have been some mistake. This can't be happening. Prim was one slip of paper in thousands. Her chances of being chosen so remote that I've not even bothered to worry about her. In a matter of minutes, my throat and nose are burning. The coughing begins soon after, and my lungs begin to feel as if they are actually being cooked. Discomfort turns to distress until each breath sends a searing pain through my chest. I give Peeta's hand one last squeeze as a signal and as a goodbye, and we begin counting. 1, maybe I'm wrong. 2, maybe they don't care if we both die. 3, it's not too late to change my mind. If you're wanting a book that grabs your attention from the very beginning and takes you to the end, this is the book for you. I have thoroughly enjoyed reading it, and that is just my point of view.